Hello, friends. In this hard times of depression, when we all are locked inside our homes, I found a simple way to eradicate depression, which I am going to share with you. We all heard about Japji. We all know it's a religious book. So, if we think to read, we just recite or miss the hidden meanings of a super book. I read Japji in a different way, and I found it is so beautiful, and its deep meanings are fresh like morning drops. Japji is the best gift of Nanak after enlightenment, so it is supreme in its value. Ik Onkar Satnam. He is one, the supreme truth. Onkar is a sound of existence. Anhad a frictionless sound. Sound is a form of energy, and Onkar is a resonance that remains when all dualities fade and cease to exist. Karta Purkh Nirpo Nirvair. He is the creator, beyond fear, beyond enmity. उसका किसी से कोई बैर नहीं है. क्रिएटर इज द क्रिएशन. हर चीज पर उसी के हस्ताक्षर हैं. दैट मीन्स everything is created by God Himself. अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैबा गुरु प्रसाद. He is timeless form. वह कालातीत मूर्ति है. Who never born means he has no biological parents. He is self creating, स्वयंभू. वह अपने आप में है. उसका कोई सहारा नहीं, उसका अपना ही आधार है. He is attained by Guru's grace. Basic teaching of Japji is that God is not a person. He is formless, pure energy, beyond any shape and size. आज सच जुगात सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच. God is truth in the primal beginning and will be in throughout the ages. He is truth today and tomorrow, forever and ever after. सोचे सोच न होए जे सोचे लख बार. By pondering on God, man cannot have a conception of Him. Lacks of time, pondering or chanting is futile. किसी को सिर्फ सोचने भर से ही प्रेम नहीं किया जा सकता. There are so many ways to express your love. Same is true in case of God. चुपे चुप न होए जे लाई रहा लिपतार. By remaining silent, inner silence cannot be attained. Prolonged silence and meditation does not quieten the mind. It is just being a dormant state only. ਭੁੱਖਿਆਂ ਭੁੱਖ न उतरी जे ਬੰਨਾ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਭਾਰ. The hunger cannot be appeased even piling up loads of worldly goods. Greed cannot be satisfied even with loads of goods. That means with materialism you acquire things but still you cannot satisfy your soul. सहज सियाणपा लख हो ते इक न चले नाल. You may know 100 of tricks and caprices, but not a single will serve the purpose in the end. At the time of death, intellectual smartness also stays behind. That means 100 तरह की समझ भी कुछ काम न आएगी. किव सचियारा होए किवे कूड़े तुट्टे पाल. So, how can you find the truth? This is the question. And how the veil of illusion be torn away? Nanak says, live with divine's will. Then only we can realize the truth and destroy the fibs. That means सच का उजियारा तभी होगा जब माया का पर्दा उठ जाएगा. Maya here means illusion. The thing which never gives you satisfaction, instead you pile up the things. हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नाल. You shall obey the hukam of his command and walk in the directions directed by God. Command or hukam implies total surrender of oneself. It means egolessness to the Supreme. You cannot change what He had written for you. It is the basic thing. You cannot change what He had written for you. So, total acceptance of His will, His command, can bring peace and happiness, which gives feathers to fly high. न जप न तप न ध्यान न धारणा, केवल उसकी मर्जी. समर्पण, surrender. According to Nanak, it is the only way of peace and happiness. That means you need not to worry. God is always near. That is enough for today. As the Bacon says, few books to be chewed and digested. That is, some books are to be read only in parts. Thank you.